guys, I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing super well here, and yeah, I have something new to share with you guys, and this is a new summer collection sneakers, and I found that it's very beautiful for summer. And if you will get inspired, currently they are online and also in the store, but I don't know about the sizes because I purchased these shoes like few weeks ago. I didn't have enough time to do this unboxing for you guys because I'm working, and yeah, time, it's really limited to my side. Anyway, I'm here and I have this time to do this video, so I was like, why not? So if you are new to this channel, you are so welcome. Feel welcome to this channel. Thank you so much to subscribe. Thank you so much to like. Thank you so much for everything that you have done for this channel. Thank you guys. If it wasn't you guys, I could not be here. And I found that you guys, whenever you subscribe to my channel, you give me that reason to do new video for you guys. I know I have a lot of content to share with you guys. First, comparison of my Louis V basket bag. I know I have to do the video for that. I saw it on the comment. One of my friend asked me if I can do the comparison of the Louis V basket bag, because I've seen it. There's a huge difference between the two, so I think that is another content I should share with you guys. And I have so many content, it's just I don't have enough time. Anyway, without taking too much of your time, I'm here because of the shoes. I got these shoes from Snipes Nose in the store here in Zurich. So if you're living in Zurich, you can get this in Bahnhof, Bahnhofstrasse. You can get this shop, and you can also get this shop in Niederdorf, which is Old Town in Zurich. And they have it also online. They have it also in Seal City. They also have the store there. I think they are everywhere in Switzerland, so you can double check it. But if you don't like to go to the store and you know your shoes, check it out in snipes.com all day, every day. Yeah, so I got myself a New Balance, and I am in love with the New Balance shoes. Recently, I got last time my first ever New Balance shoes. I love those shoes. They are so comfortable. They are so beautiful, and you don't feel like you're wearing shoes. They are so light in your feet, and that's why I was looking for the second pair. Okay, when it comes to this pair, I was looking for 530s, but I've never get the chance to own 530s. They are always sold out online, in the boutiques, in all shops that you can imagine that they are selling sneakers. Those 530s, they are always out, especially the small numbers like 38, 38 and a half, and 39. Ugh, they are not anywhere to be seen, okay? So because of my today's hair, I'm wearing the cap from H&M, and my hair, I did contours like 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, and it doesn't look good. So I was like, oh, I don't have enough time to do that. So I'm wearing the cap for this video. As you can see, this is the New Balance box. It comes with this kind of dark light gray color, and it has light gray written on it that says NB. It's very simple. It has small New Balance here, and here's the details of the shoes. Again, NB and New Balance down there. The shoe box is very minimalistic. It doesn't have a lot. So yeah, I think that's why people love these New Balance shoes, because it's very minimalistic sneakers. Inside the box, it comes with a wrapping paper that says New Balance and NB in that dark gray color. The shoe size I went to with size 6.5 US, and here it says 6.5, and D, I don't know what that means. And then here it says 6 UK, 39 European. So yeah, 39.5 European. So these are 39. They give me 38.5 to try it on. It was really small, so I couldn't decide on that. And I asked them if they have size 39.5, and they said yes. So I decided to get myself size 39.5. The reason, because these shoes, they are very compact, they are very small in cut. So if you have a wider big feet, you should go for 41 or 41.5. It depends. Go on in the store and try them there, because they are multiple sneakers where you can try on. But if you want these particular ones, I will recommend, if you know them or if you have them in a different number, in a different sneakers, then go ahead and purchase. But if you don't have, and it is your first time getting them like me, I urge that you go in the store to try them so that they can fit you. So these are 2002R. As you can see here, they are written here 2002R. This is a beige color, kind of creamish, but it's more of, for me, I can say this is kind of cafe latte. Oh yeah, because it's the same color, or cafe schale, they say it here in Switzerland like that, or in German way, cafe schale. Why am I saying too much things? Anyway, when it comes to the back of the shoes, it has that NB written on it, and then it has this reflect material in silver color, and the accent of the leather tag at the back. And then here this is all entire suede material. Inside the shoes it says N, outside N, and the actual number, as I said earlier, and then N and written words there. And it has a small accent of light blue N here, and a reflect piece of leather here. Now this one is mixed of denim instead of the mesh that you all know. So this is a denim material here, and this is beige, like I said, cafe latte, or cafe schale in German. Here it comes with a removable insole that says NB in red, and these are runners, and then in blue it says New Balance. It has these holes that gives you the air of the shoes, and down the shoes is dark gray. The sole is dark gray, and it says New Balance. Nothing much in here. Now when it comes to the dirty, I don't know how these shoes will keep up clean, because up here this is a fabric material, and I feel like they will be so dirty so fast in the terms of wearing and putting on from the oil of the hands, you know, from the hands. Yeah, so I don't know. The shoes are made in Vietnam, which is really good quality of the shoes. The shoes currently are going on the retail price at the shop. The shoes are going for 190, because I paid 189 Swiss francs. So 190 Swiss francs. And yeah, it is a lot for shoes, but I mean, they're so beautiful, they're classic, and I really love them, and I was looking forward to own a shoe for summer, a sneaker. And this, they're giving me the dad sneaker vibe, which I love. I can't imagine to wear these shoes with oversized or 90s denim jeans that I have from H&M, and blazer and oversized denim jacket. I mean, it's just a vibe. The shoelace, they only give you one in this particular colors. You can see here dark beige, and maybe they could add a little bit, maybe an extra shoelace in white, because shoes, it has the sole in white and some accent trend around the N in white, and up here maybe it could be looking cool, but I love the way they look anyway. Beautiful. So I will insert again the video how I'm dressing this up or down, or day-to-day outfit. Love them so much. So guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, hit that notification button. That way you will not miss out any of my video. For now, bye. See you in my next video.